So now we will learn how to calculate the average rate of change, which is the AROC. So this is the formula. It's M equals y to the y2 minus y1 over y2 minus x2. x2 minus x1. Okay, so we'll start with problem 1. So first we're just going to write the formula just so I can have it down here. Okay, so then we want to label these. So this is our first one. So these will always be 1s and these will be the 2s. The x and the y's. X and a y. Okay, so first we have to put the y2, which is negative 5, minus y1, which is 4, over x2 minus x1, which is negative 7. And then we'll solve. So this is negative 9. And you have the two negatives change to plus, which would be 9. And this will equal negative 1. And there is our average rate of change. Okay. Problem 2. Let's do the same thing. First, write our formula. Okay, and then we'll label. So 1s and 2s. X and y, x and y. So then we'll set it up. So y2, negative 1, minus y1, which is minus 1, over negative 4, minus 4. And then we solve. So we'll get negative 2 over negative 8. And when we reduce, that reduces to 1/4. So our average rate of change for this one is 1/4. And there are our answers. So going back over it, we learned how to do the average rate of change. It is typically when you're given 2 points on a graph and you set up solving like this. So you always take the first one and make it the 1s and then x and y's, and the second one will be the 2s and the x and y's. And then you set it up with which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then you will solve and reduce to get your answer.